गुड मॉर्निंग. सध्या शिवजयंती 19 फेब्रुवारीला येत आहे. त्याबद्दल विष्णुप्रिया एक छोटस स्पीच शिवाजी महाराजांबद्दल देत आहे. ते आपण ऐकूया. स्टार्ट बेटा.
Good morning everyone. Today I am going to speak about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was born on 19 February 1630 at Shivneri Fort.
He was
He was a
great.
brave and kind. He started Maratha Empire. He taught to us be honest, brave and kind.
He died.
He died on 3 April 1680 at Raigad Fort in Maharashtra. Jai Jidao, Jai Shivadai.